All right, guys, we're pretty much ready to go here. So again, welcome. Thank you, everyone, again for the business. It's appreciated. We're going to keep doing this, trying to do this every single night. So first up is 1718 Upper Deck ICE 2-box break number 205. You'll see it up on the screen there. Again, it's the box that we've been working on over the last few breaks. Just 4 boxes back in here. We're going to be taking the top 2, followed by the 1718 SP Authentic 2-box break. I believe it's number 104. We'll get there when we get there. And yeah, like I was saying earlier, there's still a couple more 2-box ice breaks up on eBay, and also another 2-box SP Authentic on eBay that's breaking over the next 3 days, tomorrow, Wednesday and Thursday, as well as a soccer product we have in there. The Champions League 2008 UEFA Champions League Topps Museum Collection is on eBay as well, no reserve. And without further ado, we're going to get started. Over to Mr. Piano Hands here. And let's get breaking. Woo!
All right.
Yeah, we got Piano Hands in the break. We got Mr. Max working the production studio. Me as your on-air entertainment.
I don't know about that.
Okay, easy. No farting today, Max. All right, good luck, everyone. See if there's some what ice holds for us this evening.
Weird. Look bent. All right, first pack of the day.
First pack of the day.
Rookie Sub-Zero, Adrian Kempe.
Pew.
Sub-Zero, Jonathan Jouin.
Joanne. Oh, there it is.
Superscript, Alex Trincat.
Nice.
It's a nice player too.
It's one of the better hits in the ice here.
Yeah,
Going
40,
to Chicago.
41 out of 49.
Going to good friend of mine. Become a good friend online. Sylvia C. Congrats.
Yep. Nice card.
That's some nice words about our breaks, which we appreciate.
Premiers, Kale Kosila, 556 out of 1299. Oh, Premiers jerseys, Dennis Gurianov of the Dallas Stars. Let me focus. There we go. Last pack of the first box. Premiers, Alex Nedeljkovic, 293 out of 999. All right, first box done.
Here's that card again. One of the nicer hits we've got out of this so far. A few good ones actually. Still more to come, I bet. The last 2 boxes, I think, which are up on eBay, I think are going to have something very special in them. You want to go there? You want to bid? You want to bid high? You never know. Right, Max?
Yep.
That'll be the last 2 boxes from that case. Huh? Focus, man.
Sub-Zero. Oh, this is a gold one.
Gold Sub-Zero. First one we've got
Yeah.
in that case.
10 out of 24.
Yeah, that's the first one out of that case. Going
See if we
to
can focus.
Flyers. Going to Dave B,
There it
another
is.
good customer.
Nice card.
Nolan Patrick, too. No messing around.
Rookie Sub-Zero.
Let's get that in a... Let's get that in a... You know what?
It's the first one of the whole entire case. Thought it looked weird.
Yeah, look at that. Gold.
Yeah.
Nice. First one.
Sub-Zero. David Pastrnak.
Pasternak.
Premiers, David Rittich. 60 out of 12.99.
Oh, booyah.
Glacial Graphs. John Gibson. The Anaheim Ducks.
There you go. Going to Dave B again. Nice. Get that. Protect that right away. Protecting. Always protecting. There you go.
2 packs left. Oh, exquisite collection.
Oh.
Kevin Shattenkirk. 139 out of 149.
Yeah.
The Rangers.
The Rangers going to Darren T. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Premiers, Brendan Lemieux. 620 out of 12.99. And that concludes.